Alright, this is the qc30 from Bose. I bought it because the noise cancellation function that it has. I hate the noise outside, so I'm gonna unbox it. Let's see how it goes. It should be a very simple packaging. And, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll just pull out this box. Okay. This is the box. What does it say? It's basically a black box. Open. This is what it looks like. And then we'll see the real thing. Oh, ta-da! Yep, this is the qc30 in real life. Oh, and we got a beautiful model. This is what it looks like if you put it on your neck. Yep. Then we get it. It's pretty straightforward. You unbox it and then you get it. Okay, this is it. This is the qc30. So I need to remove this little lid. There's a little hole here so I can lift it. There's a ear pad. It comes with different sizes. We got an L, we got a S, and then we have this charger to charge the qc30, and then we have this little box to hold the qc30. So I'm gonna open it. And yeah, it's nice, it feels nice, and there's a little hook on the top so you can hang it somewhere. Then we'll open it. It's empty, so I think you can put some cards here. I can put a charger in this little pouch. See, so it's very portable. And then we got something that you should not eat. Then we got the manual. Yeah, this is to tell you that how to use it correctly. This is the manual. Yeah, this is the important safety instructions. The things that you should follow strictly so that you won't get hurt. Okay, we got some warranty card here. Register your product now. M size is already put on the headphone. I think it will fit me nicely. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I will put this guy back. So, and this is it. This is the qc30. Yeah, thanks for watching.